Namaskar, welcome to Daily Weather Briefing Program of India Meteorological Department. If we see the yesterday's observed weather, then the yesterday Tamil Nadu reported the very heavy rainfall and the highest rainfall 12 centimeter rainfall was reported, and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema reported the heavy rainfall with the maximum amount of 11 centimeter rainfall in coastal Andhra Pradesh and 9 centimeter rainfall in Rayalaseema. Today, a cyclonic circulation lies over the southeast Arabian Sea and extends up to the mid-tropospheric level, and under its influence a low pressure area is very likely to form over the east central Arabian Sea of Maharashtra coast during next 24 hours. And in the lower tropospheric level, a trough is also running from the cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea up to the north Maharashtra coast. Because of that, there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of the southeast and east central Arabian Sea. And in the mid tropospheric level, a western disturbance lies over the Afghanistan area. And in the Bay of Bengal region, a low pressure area basically lies over the Thailand and neighborhood area. And this low pressure area is very likely to emerge into the Andaman Sea during next 12 hours, because of which there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of the southeast and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea area. Because of this cyclonic circulation over Southeast Arabian Sea, and which basically will become a low pressure area by tomorrow over the East Central Arabian Sea of Maharashtra coast, and a western disturbance. And because of the interaction between the western disturbance in the mid tropospheric level and the lower level easterly over the northwest and adjoining central India, there will be the light to moderate, fairly wide to widespread rainfall and thunderstorm and lightning, very likely over Gujarat, Maharashtra, and there also will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gujarat region, North Madhya Maharashtra, North Konkan on 1st of December, and heavy rainfall over Gujarat region, North Madhya Maharashtra on 2nd of December. After that, there will be significant reduction in rainfall. Along with this, there also will be the isolated heavy rainfall over the southeast Rajasthan on 2nd of December. In the western Himalayan region, there will be the scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall and snowfall, accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning, very likely over Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh on 2nd and 3rd of December, with maximum activity on the 2nd of December. There is also a chance of heavy rainfall and snowfall at isolated places over Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh on 2nd of December. This is the warning in the color coded form. So we can see that the very heavy rainfall over the Gujarat region, North Konkan and North Madhya Maharashtra region on the 1st of December is given in the orange color, and however the isolated heavy rainfall over the Saurashtra and Kutch over the is given in the yellow color on the 1st of December, and heavy rainfall and snowfall over the Himachal and Uttarakhand and East Rajasthan area on 2nd of December is given in the yellow color. If we look into the district wise, then in the Gujarat state, there will be very heavy rainfall, particularly over the Surat, Navsari, Dang, and Valsad districts on 1st of December, and heavy rainfall over the Sabarkantha, Aravali, Anand, Vadodara, Bharuch, Narmada, Amreli, and Bhavnagar district on 1st of December. And on 2nd of December, there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over the Sabarkantha, Aravali, Mahisagar, Dahod, and Chota Udaipur area on 2nd of December. As we have seen, a low pressure area lies over the South Thailand and neighborhood area today morning, and this low pressure area very likely to emerge into the Andaman Sea during next 12 hours, and this will concentrate into a depression over the southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal by 2nd of December, and further intensify into a cyclonic storm over central parts of Bay of Bengal during subsequent 24 hours, and then it will move towards the North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast around 4th December morning. Because of this system, there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall over Andaman and Nicobar Island on 30th November, 1st of December, and 2nd of December. There is also possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places over the Andaman and Nicobar Island on 1st of December. and there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over the north coastal Andhra Pradesh on 3rd and 4th of December, over coastal Odisha on 3rd December, 4th December, and 5th of December, and Gangetic West Bengal on 4th and 5th of December. There is also a possibility of isolated extremely heavy rainfall over the coastal Odisha on 4th of December. Because of this system, fishermen are advised not to venture into the Andaman Sea during 30th of November to 2nd of December, over southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal on 2nd and 3rd of December, over west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal and along and off North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha West Bengal coast during 3rd of December to 5th of December. And fishermen are out at the sea are also advised to return to the coast by morning of 2nd December. This is the fisherman warning in the graphical form, which can be seen. There will be the strong wind over the southeast and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea on today, over the East Central and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea on 1st and 2nd of December, and in the Bay of Bengal region, uh, which can also be seen. If we look into the heavy rainfall warning district wise, then in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, there will be very heavy rainfall on 3rd and 4th of December, particularly over these Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, and Visakhapatnam districts during 3rd and 4th of December. And as far as the Odisha is concerned, there will be the heavy rainfall over the Gajapati, Ganjam, Puri, and Jagatsinghpur district on 3rd of December, and on 4th of December there will be very heavy rainfall over Gajapati, Ganjam, Nayagarh, Khurda, Puri, Kattak, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Jajpur, Bhadrak, and Balasore districts, which is given in the orange color in the right hand side picture. And there also will be heavy rainfall at isolated places over the Koraput, Rayagad, Kodamahi, Denkana, Kyonjar, and Mayurbhanj districts of the Odisha on 4th of December. And because of the extremely heavy rainfall over the Andaman Nicobar on 1st of December, and over the coastal Odisha on 4th of December, and very heavy rainfall over the Andaman Nicobar, over Gujarat region, North Maharashtra, North Konkan, and over Gangetic West Bengal, North Coastal Andhra Pradesh district in the respective dates, which we have seen earlier. There is a possibility of localized flooding of roads, inundations, and waterlogging in the low-lying areas, and closure of underpasses, mainly in the urban areas of these districts, which we have seen earlier. There is also possibility of occasional reduction in visibility due to the heavy or very heavy rainfall. There will be the disruption in traffic in major cities due to the waterlogging in the roads, leading to the increased travel time. There is also possibility of minor damage to the kacha house, and possibility of damage to the vulnerable structure, and localized landslide or mudslide in the hilly terrain cannot be ruled out. And there is also possibility of damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to inundation. And this much of the rainfall can lead to the riverine flooding in some river catchment areas. And for this, you can check for the traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination over those areas particular over that particular dates. You can follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard, and avoid going to the areas that face the waterlogging problems often, and also avoid staying in the vulnerable structure. You can download the Mosam, Domini, and Megdut app for the location-specific lightning alert and agro advisory services. And you can also follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.